Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Web3 TV. My name is Kusatumoons, and right beside me is Mr. Tony from Bad Chain. How are you today?
Chillin', what's up?
Good energy, guys. We've been talking a while ago before the commercial. So, how's everything going so far?
It's tight, yeah. Like super cheddar vibes. Anything Solana related is always fire. And yeah, I mean, Istanbul's popping. Like I was here maybe like 7 years ago, and now I'm like, damn, it's so bougie. But yeah, it's a super chill time. So enjoying it. So many Solana homies here. So many amazing protocols and people here. And yeah, the people of Turkey love crypto. Like they live for it. So anytime I'm in a country where people are about that life, I'm about them too.
I'm actually excited about talking about Bad Chain, but before anything else, I would love to know and get to know you more. And before Bad Chain, who is Tony?
Oh, he's a nutty MF. Yeah, so I'm originally from Northern California, and I've worked there in the Valley, New York, a bit in the Middle East and Europe throughout the past 10 years in product and go-to-marketing strategy. So I moved out to India at the start of last year and founded Cat-Off. Cat-Off is an esports prediction market on Solana. Became a super team member, became the White Baba, and now...
What do you mean by White Baba? What is White Baba?
Yeah, so it's nutty. Like I just made this video. It was for Diwali, and also like coincided with Halloween, where I dressed up as a Baba. And then ever since then, all my bayas and bahens, it means like homies in India, started calling me the White Baba. So it just kind of stuck. Yeah. And then when I joined Bad Chain, they were like, "Will you be the Bad Baba?" I was like, "Oh, word, I'll rip it. That's what's up."
What's the story of Bad Chain?
Yeah, Hundo P. So Bad Chain started from the team at Bandit Network, which is a white label quest platform. But we really wanted to take things B2C. And so Bad Chain is a layer 2 SVM. It's a meme chain, it's a roast chain, it's about product discovery, so bringing awareness to other projects on Solana by memeing and roasting them to death. And for our users, we bring them a lot of rewards and earning opportunities if they engage with those roasts. And we also have a lot of like unique functions. Like you send a wallet from wallet A to wallet B, and then it goes to your ex-girlfriend or somebody random, but you earn a raffle ticket for doing so.
Oh, interesting. So
you're like, I'm not sending anything to my ex.
So you want me? It's like when we roast you or something, we get an award. Is that correct?
Yeah, totally, absolutely, and that really helps projects to optimize their user experience, learn about themselves, learn about how what people genuinely think about them on a real level. So yeah, Bad Chain is about like bringing the fun back to crypto. And when you think about it, like there's thousands of meme coins out there. There's thousands of chains, but there's no bad chains or meme chains.
Yes.
So yeah, we're flexing it. It's tight.
Right. What inspired the creation of Bad Chain, and what gap in the market are you aiming to fill?
For sure. So I mean, I think the part of it was based on like the meme coin, era that like I think we're moving through now. I mean, it still might come back hot, but I think a lot of it was through the memes, and then also just trying to provide a lot more awareness to like fire legit projects that are cooking, besides like, oh, let's just rip like this random like poop coin, how that was like a big hype. But we just know so many fire founders and really dope projects on Solana through Super Team, through all of our connects in Solana. So we wanted to bring them a lot more awareness, and we thought the most dope way to do so would be to roast, to meme, and just like have a sick time with our homies and just chat it up.
And how's the relationship between Bad Chain and Solana?
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very interconnected. We build like the SVM on Solana, and all the projects that we work with are on Solana. So yeah, I mean, we're like very native to Solana, and a lot of the rewards come back to Solana itself. So yeah, it's innately tied in with the Go chain.
What makes Bad Chain unique? I mean, what sets it apart from all the companies that also have the same field or industry?
Beyond being bad, yeah, it's about memeing, roasting, but doing that to actually bring bring advocacy to other projects and bring awareness to them and help them cook so we can all cook together.
And my next question is, what do you think is the future impact of bad chain in the ecosystem?
I think we have a unique opportunity to work with a plethora of other projects and just bring them a ton of, eyeballs, which will hopefully bring them traction. It'll help them iterate on what they're currently building and be able to, get further adoption through that. So I think the future is very bright. We just raised $1 million, and yeah, we're absolutely looking to reward users as much as we can as well. So yeah, we're super stoked to really bring this to market. We're still in alpha right now, so we'll go to mainnet in the next month or so, and yeah, then we'll truly cook.
During building the bad chains, what are the challenges that you guys had, and how did you guys overcome?
We're doing robust AlphaNet testing right now, and there's a ton of things are breaking left and right. So I think the biggest thing is getting things right from a technical standpoint and really honing in on what sort of rewards and benefits users are actually be engaged with and tap into. But beyond that, it's really about creating a fire community that's okay with roasting as well. So yeah, it's a lot of it's still in our own product discovery so that we can bring product discovery to everybody else.
What can we expect for you guys? Bad chain in the next 3 to 4 or 5 years from now?
I see us being one of the go-to places for projects to get discovery on Solana. And I see us having a lot of unique functions to bring users a ton of rewards and benefits for engaging with different Solana dApps. And yeah, bad chain to the world.
Are you guys open for collaborations or partners?
Oh yeah, Hundo P. We're super open.
Okay, guys. So what do you think is the future of bad chain?
Are you asking me again? You asked the audience.
I asked you already. Okay, I asked, what do you think is the future of us instead? No, I'm just kidding. All right, so do you have any last words for our Solana fam right here?
Solana's the GOAT, but bad chain is super tight and it's sick. Check us out.
Thank you so much, Tony. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. Please do stand by for our next guest. And this is me, Krista Two Moons, only here at web3.tv.